Hi there folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 287. So more than a quarter of Scottish households have not completed the census yet. So how many households have not submitted their census return? So there are 700,000 that haven't completed it yet, out of 2.7 million households altogether. So 2.7 million homes, of course, is 2,700,000. And if we take away the 700,000, that means that 2 million homes have not yet submitted their census return. So what percentage of Scottish households is this? Well, it's 700,000 out of 2,700,000. So we can do 700,000 divided by 2,700,000. This would make it a decimal. So to change to a percentage, we multiply that by 100. That's going to give us, rounded to one decimal place, 25.9%. So as we can see, a bit over a quarter there. Okay, so on to our politics story. So Emmanuel Macron is the first sitting president in 20 years to be re-elected with 58.55% of the total votes. So what percentage of the votes did his rival receive? Well, we just need to take his share away from the whole thing, of course, which is 100%. So she received 41.45% of the votes. Okay, on to our business story. So Dumfriesshire-born doctor Flora Murray will feature in Scotland's £100 polymer banknote when it's launched on the 9th of May. So of course we've just got a wee kind of related coin question for you here to commemorate this wonderful achievement. So how many 50p coins make up the value of an £100 note? Well, obviously it's 100 £1 coins, so there's two 50 pences in every £1 coin, so that's going to be twice the amount of pound coins required, so that's going to be 250 pence pieces. So for 10 pence coins, so there's again 100 pound coins in a £100 note. There's 10 pences making up every pound, so that's going to be 100 times 10, which is 1,000 10p coins. Now for the 1p coins, there's £100 coins in a £100 note, 100 pennies in a pound, so it's 100 times 100, which is 10,000 pennies making up an £100 note. So on to our final story from the world of entertainment. So Netflix has hinted it's going to crack down on households sharing passwords because they seem to be losing quite a lot of subscribers just now. So what we've given for you here is a list of the most commonly used passwords worldwide in 2021. Now it should be pointed out, as it says in the article, that a computer takes 1 second to hack into accounts with these passwords, and look at the staggering number of people that use these passwords. So the most common used password, believe it or not, numbers only, is 123456. So number 2 for your 9-digit numbers only password. Correct if you got it. 1234567889. Well done. So the third most common used password is 5 numbers. So that's, you guessed it, 12345. Now number 4 was a bit trickier. Letters only makes you, I suppose, want to think that it's A, B, C, D, E. That would have been quite a popular password. But the fourth most common password is actually QWERTY because of the letters in your keyboard. And number 5, for these 8 letters, we were looking for password. So well done if you managed to get most of them right. And there you have it, folks, our What Solutions for this week. We hope you enjoyed solving these problems. Stay tuned for next week's edition, where we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.